Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Eat. Today we are making green onion pancakes which are crispy outside and soft inside. For more easy and delicious recipes, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So without further ado, let's begin. We are taking 400 grams of plain flour and 280 milliliter cold water to make 2 green onion pancakes. Make sure to use cold water. You can add all water at once or add slowly and start mixing it. Once it is properly mixed, start using your hands to knead it. It will be difficult to knead, but just ignore it. Do not add any extra flour or any extra water. Just knead it with the amount of the flour we have. It's okay if the dough is sticking on your hand. Ignore it and keep kneading it. Use your clean hand to remove the flour from your kneading hand. When the dough will be bouncy, it won't stick on your hand. When you feel the gluten is strengthening and your hand, the container and the dough becomes clean and smooth, that means the dough is ready. Kneading is the key. Take your time, knead it properly. Now you can see the container is clean, the dough looks smooth. So take it out of the container, roll it a little bit and then divide it into 2 parts. As I mentioned earlier, that 400 grams of flour will give us 2 green onion pancakes. Dust the surface a little bit with some plain flour and slightly smooth the dough for a little bit. Softness is the key to the delicious green onion pancakes. Cover the dough balls and let it rest for 20 minutes. Let's cut the green onions while we are waiting for our dough to get ready. We don't need the big chunks of green onion. We will just finely chop it. Let's take the dough balls, dust the surface with plain flour, and flat it with the help of your hand and rolling pin. Just make sure that the dough does not stick to the surface, so just keep adding or sprinkling a little bit of plain flour and roll it slowly to make the round shape. Do not make it very thick. Roll it out evenly and thin. The thickness should be around 0.1 to 0.2 centimeters. Now take about 4 grams of salt or as per your taste and sprinkle evenly on the pancake dough. Then use the rolling pin to roll the salt into the dough. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and spread it on the pancake dough. Just spread it evenly. Now sprinkle evenly chopped green onions. Let's start to roll it. The roll needs to be a little tighter. You need to use very gentle hands to roll it. Now close both ends. And start twisting with your fingers. Gently roll it, don't pull it. Tuck in the ends and roll it gently to form a disc. Gently press it to make it flatter and bigger. Do not make it thin this time. We need about 1 centimeter thickness. Preheat the pan and put the dough into the pan on medium heat. After a few seconds, flip it over. You can see it is now golden brown. You can see the golden brown spots on the both sides, and it is on the bottom side as well. When both sides are golden brown, now throw it hardly on the pan. Throw on both sides, it will create the layers inside. Do it a few times. Now add olive oil to fry it on both sides. When it becomes crispy, it is ready. Cut it open. You can see the thickness, layers, and inside is soft and crispy outside. Green onion pancakes are ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.